Tired of waiting for games to load? Frustrated with slow boot times and sluggish file transfers? The crucial P310 2TB internal SSD delivers blazing fast PCIe Gen 4 performance that transforms how your computer operates. With sequential read speeds up to 7,100 MB/s and write speeds up to 6,000 MB/s, this SSD is up to twice as fast as previous Gen drives, cutting load times in half and making everything from booting Windows to launching Photoshop feel instant. The massive 2TB capacity gives you plenty of room for AAA games, creative projects, and essential media, all built with advanced Micron 3D NAND technology for reliability you can trust. Whether you're upgrading your desktop, laptop, or gaming console like the ROG Ally or Lenovo Legion Go, installation is quick and easy with the standard M.2 2280 form factor. The drive is backward compatible with PCIe Gen 3 systems, so you'll enjoy faster speeds regardless of your setup. Plus, with power-efficient design and thermal management, you get better performance without draining your battery. Stop settling for slow storage. Find the link in the description and comments to get your crucial P310 2TB SSD now.